Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we have Pella Impervia and Marvin Essential windows, which are both fiberglass, so it's actually comparing apples to apples. So let's see which one is better. Okay, so as usual, we're gonna start from the convenience of these windows. And you know, this one is much bigger. It's like a huge window, the Pella Impervia, and Marvin Essential is a small sample. So in this case, size doesn't matter, you know, so basically we can make any size, but what we're going to concentrate on convenience. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Okay, so you buy this window so you use them conveniently. So let's start with Pella Impervia and we unlock the window, and this is a double hung window. So it's pretty much you can open both sashes at the same time, and standard full screen on both windows, so it comes with a full screen. Unless you ask your dealer to do a half screen, but anyway, so you can open both sashes. Same thing with Marvin Essential window. Right here, you just unlock it and you can open just one sash, or you can open both sashes at the same time. Okay, so we can give both windows 1 point. Okay, so that we can open both sashes at the same time, it's a double hung window, you know, it's nothing something like wow, you know, it's nice and dandy, but at the same time, what's important, how easy it is to tilt in these windows, both sashes, for easy cleaning. So with Marvin Essential, we just open it like up to 3 inches at the bottom, and we have these 2 little tabs, we squeeze them in and we tilt in the bottom sash. And we do the same with the top sash. So pretty much easy, nice and easy. And with Pella Impervia, let's see, probably I'll move this here or rearrange them a little bit, but anyway, same thing, you open up a few inches at the bottom, and here we go. You tilt in the bottom sash and you do the top sash same way. So I would say it's pretty much nice and easy. Both windows is kind of easy to tilt in and to clean the glass from the comfort of the interior of your house. Okay, convenience wise, again 1 point for Pella Impervia and 1 point for Marvin Essential. Okay, so now we're gonna switch to the interior design of the windows, because you know, you buy these premium windows, and premium windows, they do come with a premium price. So you wanna make sure that you have nice interior design, because that's, you know, where you're gonna look at and enjoy your windows or don't like them. So let's go ahead and dive into that. Okay, both these windows are made from fiberglass material, which gives pretty much nice and smooth experience, premium touch, premium feel as well. And all the corner cuts, they kind of look like reminiscent of those wood windows. So it's pretty much both material, it's a well-made windows. Okay, so and when, you know, to operate the window at the bottom sash here with Marvin Essential, we have like a little lift rail, and at the top we have all the way through lift rail as well. With Pella Impervia, we don't have anything at the bottom, but we have here like a little lip at the on the bottom sash at the top, so you can move up and down. And the top sash comes in with kind of like cutouts, which is fine when you don't have nails, but when, you know, your wife has those beautiful long nails, it's going to be tough for her to open the top sash, so she's going to call you and actually interrupt whatever you're doing to open your windows. When you install these windows into your house, or any other windows actually, you want to make sure that you preserve your precious glass real estate, because if you have big windows, you want to have them even bigger, or you know, at least the same glass real estate. So as usual, let's go ahead and check what's the thickness of the frame and the sash combined. So this way we are going to find out if you're going to lose anything in glass real estate. So anyway, that's right here. It's a Marvin Essential 238, which is, you know, pretty much thin profile because this is fiberglass. And let's go ahead and check the Marvin Impervia. I mean Pella Impervia. So it's 3 1/4 thickness, both of the sash and the frame combined, and wow, that's like totally unacceptable. That's even thicker than some of the vinyl windows. I'm not sure why did they made this frame so beefy. So your windows, so you're gonna lose 5/8 more glass real estate than in Marvin case. Maybe you're gonna even gain some. So unfortunately, it's the frame and the sash combined of Pella Impervia, it has some kind of like a brick-like aspect to it. In this case, for Pella Impervia, first look at it at the design, 0 points, and Marvin Essential, 1 point. So now let's look at the exterior design as well, because finally you buy your windows, so they look nice, both interior and exterior. Maybe exterior design even more important, because it's always open to see for everybody, your neighbors, your friends, your family, your enemies. Everybody's gonna look at the exterior design of the window. So either they're gonna be like saying wow, or they're gonna smile at it with a wicked smile. So right off the bat, we look at the exterior of Marvin Essential window, and it does have nice, beautiful, or simple, but at the same time elegant design. Same thing when we look at the Pella Impervia. It's nice and clean cuts, all the joints pretty much nice and clean as well, because it's a fiberglass material all in this window as much as in Marvin. So yeah, we can give both windows 1 point each. Okay, so now let's switch to probably one of the most important points in any window, because you buy new windows, you want to save some money. So performance. So we're going to look at energy efficiency, water management, and how often do you have to maintain these windows. Okay, so we have these windows both still on the exterior. So the first thing we'll look at water management. So right here with Marvin Essential, we have at the bottom weep holes. So basically the water gets inside the frame and has to come out through these weep holes, which is a big downside, because you have to clean them. They get clogged with spiderweb, dirt, all kind of stuff, especially when you have a busy, dusty road next to your house. With Pella Impervia, to their credit, we don't have weep holes. We have instead like a sloped seal. All the water flows nicely away from the window, away from the house, so you don't have to clean it, and it's more maintenance-free experience. So in this case, we give to Pella 1 point, and to Marvin Essential 0 points. Okay, so we are back to the interior side of the window. Now what we're gonna check, how energy efficient these windows are, how much of the weather stripping and insulation they have. With Marvin Essential, we have here like only on the frame itself, like 2 layers all the way around of weather stripping, and same thing at the top sash. Well, let's see, the top sash does what does it have it here? Yes, so it does have same amount on the frame itself, nothing on the sashes. That sash is pretty much just fiberglass. And let's have a look at the Pella Impervia. In this case, with Pella Impervia, we have extremely thick weather stripping, same thing on the frame of the window. But look at that, ladies and gentlemen, it's pretty much, they probably overdid it, all this insulation around the sashes, because it's fine, that it goes in here and pretty much thick fiberglass weather stripping, but the problem with that, they did it all the way through, so it's basically, that's like some kind of hair grows on your windows, or I don't know, like a moss or anything like this. In here it's much cleaner look, so we're gonna probably give 1 more point for the interior design to Marvin Essential, because we somehow skipped it. But anyway, I would say that with energy efficiency wise, Pella Impervia 100% is a winner, because it's so thick, its insulation, it's amazing. So if you have a lot of drafts, or maybe your house on the hill where it's windy, and you want to insulate your house the best, you don't care about this design, about this stuff like exposed to the outside, and probably most of the time you're going to have blinds anyway. So Pella Impervia is the answer, and also you just insulate it, and not a stream of air is going to come out of your house or into your house without your permission. So in this case, Pella Impervia for the energy efficiency gets 1 point and Marvin Essential gets 0. And as we pointed out about this hairy style of weather stripping going all the way through up, we're gonna add actually to Marvin Essential 1 more point for the interior design, because I know how I missed it, and 0 for Pella Impervia. And actually right here, design, I made a mistake. Here we go. Okay, so now is the time to draw the line as usual of our unscientific research. So Pella Impervia gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 points. And Marvin Essential gets 5 points as well. So anyway, but when we, look at the different sections that we have here, so we can tell that Pella Impervia and Marvin Essential inconvenience, they have both 2 points. They are both convenient windows, so it's easy to tilt, easy to maintain, easy to clean. But where the Marvin Essential moves forward and takes first places is in interior design. We got 2 points, and exterior design. Both of them nice, but because of the interior design, Marvin Essential wins. So Pella Impervia in interior design definitely has a lot of not a lot of, but more downsides. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so now once we got the final results, the question is which window to choose, or either it's Marvin Essential or Pella Impervia. So I can tell you this, it depends on your goals. If you would like to have a better design, a better personality in the window, I would say Marvin Essential is a good option. If it is most important for you to have super energy efficient window, then Pella Impervia definitely is a great option, and it does have better water management on the outside as well. So this way you don't have to clean it on your weekend and spend any more time. So it's more maintenance free window. So but in my opinion, at the same time, I would say that the Pella designers, they should have been able to make some kind of this golden middle between the design and performance. But anyway, that's what it is. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Post into the comments below what you think about these 2 windows and which one you would rather install into your house. Thank you for watching. See you next time.